Hey everyone, it's Nate with Metrics, back with another project. We got a 2007 Honda CBR600RR in for fork seals. So we're gonna pull these forks off and rebuild them and get this customer back on the road. Let's get started. All right, let's get started. I mean, you guys have seen a lot of this stuff before. We're basically gonna pull the wheel off, brakes, all that stuff, get the whole front end torn apart, and slide these forks down out of the triple trees, and then the real work of fork rebuild happens. So let's get going. Okay, front end's all apart as far as brakes, wheel, fender. Should just be able to loosen the upper triples, and this will all drop out. Shaken. couple of quick things I just wanted to mention. One is the upper cap. Make sure to loosen that before you take it out of the lower triples. Just way easier unless you have a clamp or whatever. The second tip is these long Allens and an impact are the best way to get at the lower drain bolt. So a little bit of a surprise here. Somebody put Teflon tape on the drain bolts. That's not the way to do it. You need to use new crush washers. Okay, oil's all drained out of these. Get the bottom bolt out, so start actually disassembling. So just take that entire piece out. And take the dust cap off. A lot of different ways people do this. Just try to be careful not to scratch the fork tube or especially the fork leg. Just work your way easily, gently around. Pull that off. Then there's a retaining clip in there that you have to pop out. Okay, we're back. Official Honda crush washers, like $6 a piece. Ridiculous. All right, so forks are back together, topped up with oil. If I didn't record that part, but basically these call for about 415 milliliters, and then you measure, I think it's 93. I don't have the spec in front of me, but I think it's like 93 millimeters down is where the oil should be once you work all the air out. So there's a special tool for that. You can do it with just however you can measure down to the right level and basically just make sure that's right, and they're ready to go. So basically just going to do the reverse of everything else that we did to take it apart and get this put back together.